Mina Shirakawa has more than enough reason to get back into the ring.
Joining her, Jamie Hayter and Alex Winter, the Brawling Birds!
The Brawling Birds and Mina Shirakawa in this trios match here live on Collision. Back to the ring
And
we
their
go.
opponents, Nixi Excess, Aminah Belmont, and Haven Harris.
Harris, Nikki, and Belmont will face the Brawling Birds. And there you see the British women's champion. Mina Shirakawa had her shot at becoming world champion, but thanks to some brass knucks, denied by Tekla.
Well, I say birds of a feather flock together. All three members of this team, the Brawling Birds and Shirakawa, have had their problems with the Triangle of Madness.
Oh! Whoa. Well, there went Nikki, reeling back.
A start from the British champ, Alex Windsor, who's formed such a dominating team with the former AEW Women's Champion, Jamie Hayter. Whoa! Great outings against the Inspiration and the Sisters of Sin last week on Collision.
Stacking up all three women. Here goes a back elbow, and watch out, Mina Shirakawa.
Jamie Hayter, of course, a long history with the Triangle of Madness all last summer. Yep.
Opponent's trying to fire back here, but gets sandwiched that time by the Birds.
Shirakawa to the top rope. Shirakawa still fired up over the attack of her tag team partner, Toni Storm. Yet to find out who is responsible. Oh. This could be it. It looks like it.
Yes.
It's two birds with one stone. One figure four leg lock.
That's right, Mina. Her figure four leg lock is on.
It certainly proved efficacious, as it does tonight.
Did not take long, did it?
Here are your winners, Mina Shirakawa and the Brawling Birds. Aye, Cedar Rapids. Do you care for a couple of words with the birds? Mina, I gotta say first, we loved beating the piss out of these women with you. Good job, mate. Thank you very much. And only that, right here, right now, I want to say to your face, me and Al had nothing to do with what happened to Toni. Nothing at all. Nothing to do with us.
But even more so than that, what happened to her last week was a complete and utter piss take. Now, Jamie and I have had our run-ins with the Sisters of Sin, and your world champion Tekla wants to start using brass knuckles. Is this thing on? No. Nine yet. Nah, chigayo. We're not doing this. In case you forgot, I am the AEW World Women's Champion, and all of you are nothing. The Sisters of Sin, and none of you silly bitches can handle the Triangle of Madness. And I swear, on the cold dead body of timeless Toni Storm, rest in peace, bitch. I again, you'll all end up just like her.
Enough! Huh? Next week, you fight us! And we will beat the piss out of you!
Yes, her English is coming along.
Challenge from the Triangle of Madness. The fans still to come tonight. Kazuchika Okada defends the International Championship against Kevin Knight, plus Ace Austin, Tommaso Ciampa.